Footprints on the moon may be gone sooner than we think. NASA man is hanging out on Earth's natural satellite, live with your news from space.
Space. You know what?
What?
No one can hear you shave in space or scream. Hey, it's a good thing we don't live on the moon because meteoroids love smashing into it. New observations from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. Asteroid by name shows Earth's moon gets pelted by space rocks. A lot. Like, I mean, looking at it, you can see it did in the past, but it's still going on. Spacecraft was launched back in 2009. Since then, it's discovered the impact of craters are over 200 meteoroids that were not there before the mission started. Here's what that tells us. These impacts are changing the lunar landscape much faster than previously thought, giving us a younger surface. So microdermabrasion for the moon, if you will. So say goodbye to the famous Apollo astronaut tracks. The changing surface means those footprints will be gone in tens of thousands of years rather than millions. Larry King and I will be there to report on it.
All right.
When it does go away.
Yeah.
Turns out we were wrong, people. There aren't 200 billion galaxies in the universe. More like 2 trillion.
Oh. Trillion.
Larry, why didn't you carry the 2? Yeah, that's trillion. That's the latest from a team of international astronomers who now say the number of galaxies in our observable universe is 10 times higher than previously thought. The revelation was possible thanks to the Hubble Space Telescope. NASA says about 90% of those galaxies are super small and faint. I got some jokes there, but I won't use them. Some are so tiny.
How tiny are
or
they?
Far away. They can't be seen by our most powerful telescopes, but a bigger, badder telescope's in the works to begin studying these distant worlds, and I'm so excited about it. Speaking of Hubble, the mega telescope was doing some spying and captured the center of a spiral galaxy 11 million light years away. Hello, lava. And there it is. The nucleus of NGC 247.
Ooh, sexy name.
Sexy name.
Does it get any sexier? Than
Can't be seen in the lower right as a bright patch surrounded by a mix of stars, gas, and dust. It happens to us all.
A little gassy.
Researchers say NGC 247 has a particularly unusual and mysterious feature. There's a void or a gap in its disk. You can see it on the right there. A little disk gap. I got one in my lower back. Scientists say the stars are inside the void are significantly older than the ones outside, which indicates no new stars have been born in quite a while, for at least 1 billion years or so. Or so Larry King told me.
He's still at the Dodgers game this morning. He's still sitting back there.
And that concludes your news from space.
Oh, my prediction, NGC 247, next most popular baby name.
Oh, yeah. Is that a boy or girl? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
NGC 247 works for both.
Call him NG. NG.
Short. Little NG.